All right, let's get this side picked up. This side is the big side. Oh my gosh, that is a buck. Dear goodness, that is so big. Oh my freaking gosh. That is a freaking stud. No way. Oh my goodness. Man. That is a buck and a half. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. That thing is just redonkulous. I'm losing it. Freak, he was so wide too. Man, that's crazy to me. He's so heavy. Dear goodness, look at those horns. That is insane. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is a buck. This is crazy. Crazy. I'm in the middle of a pickup video. Wes has called me once.